this us? Are we good to go? Sweet. Good, thank you. Is high enough?
Can Mom move up more this way?
I want to drop it in the water.
I don't.
Best lunch
That was
ever.
the best lunch and entertainment. Like, did not expect that.
Totally.
Very good.
First time we've ever done a bottle of tequila in 20 minutes.
Woo, I'm impressed. Nice job.
Don't feel good now.
Good luck tonight.
Yeah, I guess I'm impressed until we get back on the boat.
Was it good tequila?
I had a hard time on the way in on the boat.